Sessions. We are going to be discussing what is a session, how they work, and what they mean. Now in Forex, you can trade 24 hours a day, 5.5 days per week. The market closes Friday and reopens on Sunday. This is called market close and market open respectively. The market also closes and reopens every day for just a few seconds as a way to flush itself. Trading around this time of the day is not advised due to the spread being manipulated. Now throughout the week, each day is broken up into sessions. There are 5 main sessions and they are as follows: Asian session, Tokyo, Japan; London session, Great Britain; New York session, United States; Sydney session, Australia; Frankfurt session, Germany. Each of these sessions lasts 8 hours. These sessions can sometimes overlap one another. Now my time and your time may not align. I am in the AST time zone. It may be 4:30 by me, but it will be 2:30 in Costa Rica. What you need to do is figure out your time zone and align your sessions with that time zone. Once you have one session, it's easy to know the rest. Let's look at some session times. All right, so I'm going to put the link to this in the lesson so that you can go and do it yourself, regardless of wherever you are in the world. All right. But this is a time zone converter and it helps especially with the market hours and what each session, the times of each session, right? I hope this video doesn't get too long, but yeah. So what this is, obviously it's a time zone converter and it tells you what session is happening for your current time zone, right? And you have the different sessions here, as I said, Frankfurt, London, New York, Sydney, and Tokyo. Now, currently the time by me is 4:21 p.m. on a Sunday. Yes, I'm working on a Sunday, and so the market is closed, right? The market will open in about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Now, how do we figure out what time each session will be open for my time? So what I can do, I can come here and I can select my time zone. Now, if you don't know, if you live in a really interesting area, you don't know what your time zone is, you can literally come here. This is going to open a new link. It's going to ask, what is my time zone? You just come down here, you select your country. Obviously, as I would have said, I am in Trinidad and Tobago in the Caribbean. I select Trinidad and Tobago and I hit go. And now it tells me my time zone is America, Port of Spain. So I come back here and I'm going to look for America, Port of Spain. All right, that's the capital of Trinidad and Tobago, Port of Spain. So I come here, America, Port of Spain. Boom, look at that. So now it's aligned. All right, so Frankfurt would open at 2 a.m. my time and close at 10 a.m. my time. You could also see that London opens at 3 a.m. and closes at 11 a.m. Right? If you notice, Frankfurt and London overlap one another. Right? New York session, which is the United States session, opens at 8 a.m. my time and closes at 4 p.m. my time. And Sydney opens at 6 p.m. my time and closes at 2 a.m. my time. And then finally, Asian session opens at 7 p.m. my time and closes at 3 a.m. my time. Right? It's actually very easy to understand. It's nothing too over complicated, but it is kind of important to know what session you are in, because what I did not discuss in the start of the video, the start of the lesson, is that these sessions have, they have behaviors or behavioral patterns, right? And 3 of these sessions in particular have behavioral patterns: London session, the New York session, and the Asian session, right? Typically, the London session is known for something called the move. This is where you're going to find the most amount of big moves, typically, right? There are exceptions. The New York session is known for the reversal, meaning typically you're going to find the market reversing and going the other direction during New York. And then Tokyo or Asian is known for consolidation, where the market just moves up and down, up and down, up and down without ever really going anywhere. It is important to know these things so that you know how to trade in, to match the energy of the session. Then you're not going to go in Asian and look for, a big move. It's very unlikely. I'm not saying it's not possible, because there are exceptions, but you're not going to go in Asian and look for this big move. You're going to go in Asian and enter in the consolidation if you want to get in before the big move. All right. And let me explain that now. So you notice, remember I said that London is usually where the move happens and Tokyo is where the consolidation happens. So if we understand this, right, think about this. This is very easy, very basic. Tokyo opens at 7 p.m. and closes at 3 a.m. But look at this. Look at what time London opens. London opens when Tokyo closes. This is why, me personally, I love to trade the Asian session because I'm getting in before the move starts. But I'm not going to go into detail with this, at least in this lesson. But it's just an idea of how you can use the sessions and the session timing to your advantage. All right. You can do this for anywhere in the world, wherever you reside. You can do this for anywhere in the world, and it works, right? I'm going, like I said, I'm going to put this link in the lesson so you can come to it at any time and figure out what sessions are open for your time zone. Other than that, those are the basics of sessions and session times. On to the next lesson.